Second unit, current electricity. So already we learned about charge from first lesson. The charge is nothing but two charges, positive and negative charge. That is called, when a charge does not move means that is electrostatics. When a charge moving from one point to another point in a conductor is called electric current or current electricity. First, define current. If a net charge Q passes through any cross section of a conductor in a time t, then the current defined as I is equal to Q by T. So charge per time. So what is the definition of current? I is equal to Q by T. The some amount of charge passing through the wire or a conductor per second. That is called what? Current. I is equal to Q by T. So the unit of current is ampere. The symbol capital A. How to define 1 ampere? See, you know the formula for I is equal to Q by T. So the unit of Q is coulomb. Charge is coulomb. Unit of time is second. Then how to define 1 ampere? The current unit 1 ampere. 1 coulomb by 1 second. So 1 ampere current equivalent to the 1 coulomb of charge passing through a perpendicular cross section in 1 second. 1 coulomb of charge passing through the wire or one particular conductor in 1 second, it produces 1 ampere current. So 1 ampere is nothing but the 1 coulomb of charge passing through a perpendicular cross section of 1 second. This is a scalar quantity. It's a very important. Current is a scalar quantity. Scalar means what? Only magnitude, no direction. So this is a scalar quantity. Another one, drift velocity. Drift velocity is very important. What is it? Drift means moving slow. So before, for example, if we consider the metal or conductor, the electrons are moving in randomly or random motion. Random motion means what? There is no perfect path. For example, butterfly flying or bird flying. So it's a not perfect path. It's a moving zigzag path. So all the electrons in a conductor moving in randomly. Suppose if we give some amount of electric field to the conductor, electric field or volt, you have to give some volt. So here some electric field produced here. So what happened? In a current passing through positive to negative, the electrons always moving, the current always moving positive to negative I, the electrons always moving negative to positive. Very, very important. The current always moving positive to negative, but the electron moving negative to positive. Okay. Here, the zigzag motion due to the collisions. You see, always the electron moving in zigzag path. The electrons move slowly along the conductor when the direction is opposite to the electric field. Very, very important. After applying electric field, what happened? The electron moving slowly. Without electric field, the electron moving very fast or randomly moving very fastly. But if you give electric field, the electron move slowly along the conductor in a direction of opposite to the electric field. This velocity of the electron is called drift velocity. That symbol Vd, that formula minus E tau by m E vector. Small e is a charge of electron, tau is a collision time. Collision means each electron collide with the hitting. That time is tau divided by m, mass of the electron. E is applying electric field. Here E tau m, it's almost constant. E tau m is constant. You give a new constant name mu, that you can substitute here E tau m instead of E tau m, you have substitute mu. So Vd is equal to minus mu electric field E. So this minus indicate the opposite to the electron opposite to electric field. The velocity of the electron, drift velocity opposite to electric field. That means, okay, anyway. Here what is mu? It's a mobility of an electron. What is mean mobility? Mobility means mobile, moving. So that moving value, it's a mobility. That mobility is nothing but E tau by m. So how to define mobility? Very important 2-mark question. The mobility is defined as drift velocity per unit electric field. See, you take this formula, mu is equal to Vd by E. You take modulus because minus don't want. Here only direction don't want. So you take remove minus. Mu is equal to Vd by E. So if you take modulus means minus will disappear. So Vd by E. So mu mobility is equal to or drift velocity per unit electric field. Drift velocity per unit electric field is called mobility. The unit of mobility is a 1-mark question. M square meter square. Volt is a volt. Volt power minus 1. Second power minus 1. Meter square. V power minus 1. S power minus 1. This is a unit of mobility.